Introducing the 2023 Volvo XC40 Rchrg Ultimate 5 Door Auto in sleek grey. This fully electric vehicle offers top-of-the-line comfort and safety features, including ambient lighting, Bluetooth phone, collision avoidance braking, and more. With a 1.5-litre engine and automatic transmission, this EstateJeep is not only stylish but efficient. Complete with luxurious interior details like cup holders and leather trim, and advanced security features such as lane departure warning and parking assistance. This Volvo has it all. Plus, with an anti-corrosion warranty and energy recuperation, you can drive with peace of mind. For a vehicle that combines style, safety and sustainability, look no further than the 2023 Volvo XC40 Rchrg. With a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer servicing, and a comprehensive warranty, this car is ready for you. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.